right? So concentration, like how much amount of solute is dissolved in particular solvent, is known as concentration, right? So you can say that the concentration can be found by the formula that is going to be amount of solute, right? So if you're just taking the solute in, in moles, so you're just going to take moles. How many moles of the solute will dissolve in particular volume, right? And like suppose in 1 decimeter cube of solvent, right? So we can say that concentration can be, measured in moles per decimeter cube, right? So can I write down moles as N? N represents moles. How many moles are dissolved in particular volume? So volume, so it's going to be V. So I can say that concentration is equals to N upon V. Okay? That amount of solute, or how many moles of solute are dissolved in particular volume of an volume of water or volume of an acid, percent. Okay, so that's going to be volume of solvent, right? We say that if something is more concentrated, means it's going to have more, um, the solute per unit volume, right? And then according to using this formula, we can also calculate moles. We can calculate the concentration of particular, substance. We can even find out the volume. Okay? That's not going to be volume at RTP now. All right, girls. Tuba and Amrin, मुझे बताओ, are you getting till here?
मेरा नहीं है वहां पे.
Yes.
ठीक है. अच्छा बेटी, if you are measuring concentration and taking the amount of solute in grams, so we can also measure concentration in gram per decimeter cube. So we can measure that concentration in gram per decimeter cube. ठीक है? Amount of solute in grams in decimeter cube in volume, per unit volume. ठीक है? So there are going to be the units for concentration as mole per decimeter cube. Write on mole per decimeter cube is one of the unit for measuring the concentration. And another unit for measuring the concentration is going to be gram per decimeter cube. ठीक है girls? You just note down, then I will just be giving you the simple, calculations that how you're going to find out the concentration of different species, right? And then we will be looking at the past paper questions, right? Do let me know if it's done or any question, any problem till here. Okay.
Done.
Done.
Okay, Bete. So for example, Bete, they are saying that calculate concentration of sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide in mole per decimeter cube, right? Mole per decimeter cube. When 50 centimeter cube of sodium hydroxide is dissolved in 5 gram of water. ठीक है? अच्छा, now we have to find out the concentration, right? But we have to find out the concentration in mole per decimeter cube. ठीक है? But what is provided with us? What is given? mole per decimeter cube. We have to find out. We are provided with volume of sodium hydroxide and we are provided with mass of water. Okay? So what we are going to do? Can we find out moles, girls? Okay? Why we are going to find out moles? Because the mass is given. Okay? And we have to find out the concentration in mole per decimeter cube. Volume to given है हमारे पास, right? But what you will do, you will just convert this mass into moles. Right, Betty? Amreen and Tuba, are you getting it?
Yes.
So remember how we're going to find out the moles. Moles is equal to mass in grams upon mR, right? So we were supposed to calculate moles by using the formula. That's going to be mass in grams upon mR. All right. Okay, Bete. Anya, we just discussed about how to find out the concentration, right? So the concentration can be found by using the formula that is moles per unit volume, amount of substance, amount of solute in moles in particular volume. So that is C is equals to N upon V. Okay? Now, using this formula, we have to calculate the concentration of sodium hydroxide in mole per decimeter cube when 50 centimeter cube of sodium hydroxide is dissolved in 5 grams of water. Okay? Actually, it's going to be 5 grams of sodium hydroxide is dissolved in 50 centimeter cube of water. ठीक है? यहाँ पर ये होगा. Question is going to be like this. 5 grams of sodium hydroxide is dissolved in what volume I wrote, बच्चों? चलो 100 कर देते हैं इसको 100 centimeter cube of water. Okay. So I just have to find out the moles, right, of sodium hydroxide. That's mass in grams upon mR. So what is mR of sodium hydroxide that you have to find out? So mR of sodium hydroxide is going to be 40 by AR of sodium is 23 plus AR of oxygen is 16 plus 1. Okay. So that comes to be 40. So you will divide mass in grams, that is 55, sorry, divided by MR is 40. Right? Let me just take out the calculator, or if one of you are carrying the calculator, do let me know what you will get.
Is 0.125.
Well, it's just give me 1 minute. I just have to change my concentration is equals to moles per unit volume. Okay? Moles per unit volume. We got the moles, we got the volume, that is 100 centimeter cube. But like you have to find out the concentration in decimeter cube now. So you have to convert this volume, like we have to convert 100 centimeter cube into decimeter cube. Okay? Now we know that a centimeter cube is smaller than decimeter cube, right? So to convert smaller unit into bigger unit, what you will do, you will divide 100 by 1000. Okay? Why you will divide 100 by 1000? Because 1 decimeter cube is equals to 1000 centimeter cube. ठीक है, अब मुझे बताओ girls, are you getting this step?
Yes.
So volume will be 0.1 decimeter cube. ठीक है? We got moles, that is 0.12 at 5 moles. So we can find out the concentration now. That concentration is equals to moles per unit volume. Moles are 0.125. Volume in decimeter cube is 0.1. So when you will divide moles by volume, you'll get the concentration as 0.125 divided by answer. You'll get
1.25.
very good. 1.25, and the unit is going to be for concentration will be mole per decimeter cube. Okay? Right, girls? So this is how you find out the concentration. Okay? Acha, when they have given us the volume and the concentration, we can even find out the moles. Okay? That we will do through the past paper questions. That's how can you find out the moles using the concentration. Okay? And again, we will be doing the same thing. You're just going to find out the concentration of one species and then applying the stoichiometry, we'll find out the moles of another required quantity. Okay? If you want to note down anything, you can. Yeah, say, Anya.
When it's like when you have to find concentration, does the volume always have to be in decimeters, or will they like tell
Yes,
us in the
in
question?
decimeter cube. If it's given
Okay.
in centimeter cube, na beti, you have to do conversion, right? You have to convert this into decimeter cube because that's the formula of concentration in moles per decimeter cube, moles per unit volume. That consent and like you have to take amount of solute in moles and the volume in decimeter cube. Okay. So whenever they
Okay.
have given us the volume in centimeter cube, we have to convert this into decimeter cube, right?
Okay.
It's yeah. Now we had that the worksheet. So I'm just opening that and we will try to do that concentration. And make sure, girls, you just try the questions that I gave you, right? If you will solve, so that then you could discuss if you have any problem, right? So, hmm.
Let me do this.
Let's do this question, right? See, first of all, we just have to understand the question that what they have given, right? Like 25 centimeter cube. So 25 centimeter cube is, what is it, girls? Ambreen, Anya, Tuba. What is 25 centimeter cube? Is volume.
The volume.
Not volume of 0.1 mole per decimeter cube. So what is mole per decimeter cube, bacho? That's a
Concentration.
very good concentration. Shabash. So 25 centimeter cube of 1.1 mole per decimeter cube of hydrochloric acid exactly neutralizes 20 centimeter cube is also volume. Okay. Lekin that's going to be volume of sodium hydroxide. Okay. Right? So see, they have given us the volume and concentration of hydrochloric acid, but they just have given the volume of sodium hydroxide. Okay. The equation for the reaction is this. What is the concentration of sodium hydroxide? Second, so what you will do, girls, we are going to use a mole bridge. Okay? We are just going to see which species moles you can find out. Can we find out the moles of hydrochloric acid using the formula C is equals to N upon V? Mole per unit volume? Yes. Why? Because we are provided with concentration, we are provided volume, so we can find the moles. Anna? Do let me know, Ambreen, Tuba, Anya, is that step clear?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Why we can look for the moles of these? Because our volume is also known and concentration is also known. Okay. Once you find out the moles of hydrochloric acid, mole bridge, what you will do? We are going to apply stoichiometry, right? That is, we are just going to look for the ratio from the equation. So, yeah. So, stoichiometry of hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide is, what is the stoichiometry, girls? Anya, Tuba, Ambreen?
25 centimeter
No.
cube. No, sorry.
How many moles of sodium
Yeah.
hydroxide reacts with how many moles of hydrochloric acid?
1.
Very
Just
nice.
1.
Very good. So the ratio or stoichiometry is 1:1. Great. Okay. So means whatever will be moles of hydrochloric acid, same will be moles of sodium hydroxide. Okay. Once we get the moles, we have already got the volume, we will find out the concentration. Okay. Did you understand? Anya, Tuba, and
Yeah.
Aliza is not. Okay. Ambreen. Okay. So let's solve it. Okay, bachcho. So see, let's find out moles of hydrochloric acid. Yes. So see, C is equals to N upon V here. I do, advise you that try to write down the, formula unless we just get used to of it. Okay. So moles will be equivalent to concentration into volume. So yeah. So concentration is 0.1. Volume is 25, but remember, we have to convert centimeter cube into decimeter cube.
Decimeter cube.
So what you will do, you will divide it by 1,000. Okay? We can just divide whole by 1,000. Don't worry, that's going to be the same. Okay? So 0.1 multiplied by 25 divided by 1,000, we will get 2.5 into 10 raised to the power minus 3. Okay? All right. Amreen, Tuba, Anya, is that clear, Bridget?
Yes.
Achha. Now what we will do, apply stoichiometry, right? So 1 mole of hydrochloric acid is reacting with 1 mole of sodium hydroxide. So the ratio is 1:1. Okay? So therefore, sodium hydroxide moles will also be same. Okay? So now we are going to calculate the concentration is equals to N upon V. Moles are 2.5 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 upon volume is in 20. So 20 divided by 1,000. Because we are keeping volume in decimeter cube, right? So 20 divided by 1,000 will be 0.02 decimeter cube.
So
Right?
the answer is 0.125. So C.
Very good. Mole per decimeter. So it's going to be C. Okay? Is that clear? Amreen and Tuba, did you
Yes.
also understand, Bachu?
Yes.
Okay. Get this. How many moles of calcium carbonate will give 24 centimeter cube of carbon dioxide? Okay? So what they have given us a volume of carbon dioxide. Achha, sometimes students get confused कि भाई are we going to use the formula at RTP wala or we are going to use a concentration wala? Can you suggest me? Should we use the volume at RTP or concentration? See, we could have used the concentration if they would have given us any other thing, na? They just have given us the volume. They haven't given us the number of moles or the concentration, right? So means they just have given us the volume of gas. Even they have not mentioned it RTP. Okay? But by using this formula that moles is equals to volume in decimeter cube upon 24 decimeter cube, can we find out the moles of carbon dioxide, girls? है ना?
Yes.
Do you agree? So therefore, we will not use concentration wala formula here. Okay? Just volume is given. So we are going to use this formula, volume in decimeter cube upon 24 decimeter cube to find out moles of carbon dioxide. Okay? Achha, as we have to keep, volume in decimeter cube, or even you could say that volume in centimeter cube upon 24,000 centimeter cube. Do let me know, girls. Did you understand this? या तो I convert centimeter cube into decimeter cube and divide it by 24 decimeter cube, or I can divide 24 centimeter cube by 24,000 centimeter cube, right? Because 24 decimeter cube is equals to 24,000 centimeter cube. Okay? I'm bringing Tuba, Ania. Did you understand?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So 24 divided by 24,000, we'll get 1 to 10 raised to the power minus 3. Okay? These are between moles of carbon dioxide. But they're looking for just moles of calcium carbonate. Nah? So what you will do, what is the ratio of carbon dioxide and calcium carbonate, girls?
1:1.
Very good. 1:1. Okay? So if we are using 1 to 10 raised to the power minus 3 moles, so calcium carbonate will also have the same moles. Okay? So the answer is going to be D. Right, girls? Did you understand?
Yes.
Ambreen and Tuba?
Understood.
ठीक है. If they would have asked बच्चों, okay, what mass of calcium carbonate reacts, so what we could have done further? We would have multiplied moles by mR of calcium carbonate. That's 100.
Yeah.
ठीक है? So we could have got even the mass of calcium carbonate, that is 0.1 grams. ठीक है? Let's move to the next question of concentration. See. An excess of zinc, excess means more than enough, more than required. ठीक है? Whenever they're writing excess, we just have to, don't worry about excess reagent. The amount of product formed is going to be dependent on the limiting reagent, another reagent. ठीक है? We will be discussing limiting and excess reagent in the next class, not today. So see, excess of zinc is added in 100 centimeter cube. What is it? Volume. ठीक है? In 1 mole per decimeter cube, what is 1 mole per decimeter cube, girls? It is the
Concentration.
good of hydrochloric acid. ठीक है? The equation for the reaction is this. What is the maximum volume of hydrogen involved at room temperature and pressure? Like we have to find out the volume of hydrogen at RTP. ठीक है? लेकिन how we are going to go about it? Just take some time and do let me know. Can you suggest me? Okay, what should we do? How should we go about it? ठीक है? We can discuss. Like you have to think, girls, okay, how we are going to take out moles of which species and using which formula you can find out the moles. Yes, girls. Did you decide? Ambreen, Anya, Tuba? How can we find out? Concentration formula. Concentration is equals to N upon Vy. Because volume is given as well as concentration is given. है ना? So we can find out the moles. ठीक है? Great. So we are going to look for the moles of hydrochloric acid. ठीक है? So बेटे volume is, concentration is 1 or volume है 100. But do not forget to convert this in decimeter cube. So we are going to divide it by 1000, right? So what you will get?
Zero 0.1.
Right, girls. So we got 0.1 moles of hydrochloric acid. ठीक है? Now, what should we do the next, girls? We have to apply stoichiometry, right? That's the ratio from the equation. ठीक है? अब देखो, we are provided with hydrochloric acid के moles and we have to look for hydrogen के moles. ठीक है? So by looking at the equation, girls, can you suggest what is the ratio of hydrochloric acid and hydrogen?
2:1.
Excellent. Ambreen, Tuba, are you getting BT? 2
Yes.
moles of HCl gives 1 mole of hydrogen. So, bachcho, 0.1 mole of hydrochloric acid is going to give us X moles of hydrogen. ठीक है? We are going to do cross multiplication. सही है? So, we will get the value of X as 2X is equals to 0.1 into great. So, X हो जाएगा हमारे पास 0.1 divided by 2. Great. So, we'll get moles of hydrogen. ठीक है? 0.05 moles of hydrogen. अब moles आ गए बेटे. Can you help me? How are you going to find out volume at RTP? Now we will apply this formula, right? Moles is equals to volume in decimeter cube.
Volume divided by 24.
Divided by 24 decimeter cube. सही है. अब moles हमारे पास है 0.05. We will multiply by 24. I'm bringing
1.2.
but do let me
sorry.
know if you didn't get it. It's okay. It's okay. Good job, Anya. It's going to be 1.2 decimeter. ठीक है? Right? Amreen, are you getting it, बेटे?
Yes, yes.
ठीक है, देखो हमें करना बस ये है कि steps follow करने हैं. Just find out how you're going to find out the moles, stoichiometry, and then, right? Let's do more questions together. Just rejoin. Okay, बच्चे? Let's rejoin it.